Now, 4 members appointed to the board of the Communications Authority of Kenya have temporarily been barred from performing their duties. This follows an order issued by Labour Court Justice Byrum Onganya, that is, in an application filed by activist Okiya Omtata. The application was filed moments before ICT Cabinet Secretary Joe Musheru inaugurated the board members into office, and Faisal Ahmed has that report.
The Communications Authority Board of Directors will have to wait a bit longer before they assume office after Labour Relations Court Judge Byrum Onganya barred them from office. The court's decision coming only hours after ICT CS Joe Musheru inaugurated them into office.
As the chairman has said, we have got new members and they have got varied experience, which we hope that you'll be able to now inject into the authority so that we can be able to move the country forward very, very quickly.
In the application, activist Okiya Omtata accused the CS of disregarding lawful procedures in the appointment and citing lack of transparency. Musheru had last week gazetted Mahmoud Mohamed Noor, Paul Muragori Mureithi, Loria Chite and Jackson Kiprotich Kemboi as members of the board. Meanwhile, Musheru says that the government will not yield to calls to split giant telco Safaricom into 2 separate firms.
Safaricom can decide for themselves if they want to split M-Pesa and the telecommunications company. It should be their choice. It should not be one that is regulated. You cannot say you've created an innovation and then that innovation has to be separated. And there are many reasons for that. One, when you look at the kind of investment the operators have to invest in infrastructure to ensure that you have the networks.
Musheru further says that Safaricom's share in voice revenues have started to decline and that they need other revenue streams to allow for innovation and expansion of the company.
The expectation that they should have 5G. If they're going to have 5G, where is the money for that investment going to come from? If the investment in the revenues from voice are going down because everyone is using data in other services, they have to find these innovations, and M-Pesa is one of those, which is giving them money that allows them now to expand their network.
According to the latest quarterly report by Kenya's Communications Authority, Safaricom still leads the pack in terms of market share, although its edge dropped to 62.4% from 63.3% recorded in the preceding quarter. Safaricom's share has been declining in the last few quarters after hitting the 72% mark at one time. Faisal Ahmed, Citizen TV.